Hello, my dear friends. In today's example, I'm just going to share you one of the Excel issues that most Excel users find it out. For example, in my sheet, you can see this the car manufacturing data, dummy data. Okay, and I have few columns over here. Approximately, it is a 15 columns. Okay, and if I just require a few columns, then either I can just do copy and paste few columns like this and put it into the another sheet. Okay, and then after I can share and on this. But what if there is a solution that I don't have to do like this again and again? So to come this, we can use an Excel formula, choose column. Okay, let me show you the example. First of all, here I already have this data and you can see the columns are there. If I click any of the column, it contains the column name and it is going to populate the data. So how you can do this? It is just a single and a simple formula for this. We are just going to use it. Let me show you first. First of all, you can see that I am having the column names in this. This is nothing but a data list. Okay, just I have created a data list in the columns, same as I have in the sheet one up to O. Okay, and in this you can select any column name as you required because we cannot do typing again and again every time. So I have used this. So the formula is equal to choose columns. Okay, here we need to choose which columns need to be read. So sheet one, and we have all this data. You can extend this data if you require. Let's put it up to 021 right now. Okay, comma, then the number of columns. Okay, so which columns need to be shown? So here I'm going to use XMATCH function. This is going to help us to read the columns. Let's go over here and we can select all these columns. Okay, and comma, and going to read that column from this. Okay, so this is the way, and I'm just going to close this brackets and press enter. You can see that it is going to give me an error because we have a blank columns over here, and to rectify this we can use this trunk formula. I'm putting a dot over there, so it is going to help me. Okay, now wherever the columns I need to change, for example, if I want a fuel over here, or if I want something like instead of bin I want status, then you can do it. And that's it. Hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comment what you think about this video, as well as please don't forget to share, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share with your friends who might get help with the Excel tips. Thanks for watching.